Head up to the second floor. I think I've seen some stairs here. Yep, here's the stairs. See, I gotta ask myself, is this the bigwig's office? Nice little chair. Man, sorry for the wind, guys. I'm probably gonna have to mask this with some music. But, alright, let's go to a couple more rooms here. Yeah, there's really nothing left to see, not too much. Yes, I don't want to bore you guys. But I guess it's cool that you get to hang out with UD for at least a couple minutes. I've been gone for a while and I do miss everyone. But I'm sure glad I'm back. So I guess that's the most important thing. Now there's there's a shed, I guess, that's on the side of this building. I went there before, I don't know, maybe a year ago or so. There were some things that was stored in there, and I never shared the video, so I might include that in this one, but I'm not sure, because I'm shooting this in 4K, and I don't believe I shot that video in 4K, so. But, I mean, I guess if you guys are interested in it, if I don't include it in the video, just please let me know and I'll upload it for you guys. But it seemed like it was, Is this a bathroom? Yeah, it's just a bathroom. It seemed like they were just some wooden molds or something. Seemed like. Yeah, but they're just, you know, sitting there. Some in crates and some are just like put together. Hopefully I can get this train that goes by, get some drone footage of the train. I think it comes by every half hour. It's a long way down. All right, this might be the shed I was talking about. I'm not 100%, but this might be it. Yeah, I think it is it. But yeah, here's some more, I guess, rooms with a few tables, and there's some hard hats, and there are hard hats in here, right on the floor, and some boots and stuff. But you know, like I said, really nothing left, just to capture an old abandoned building. So, you know, I'm gonna go see if I can get up to another floor for you guys. Oh, these clothes piled up in the corner. You know, almost like someone is living in here. And look right here. There's like soap and it's like different types of clothes and jeans, sneakers, soap dish. Yeah, I think there's somebody living in here. Yep, I think I'm probably gonna limit my time in this building for sure. So I'm gonna see if I can get into just another floor, see what else I can find here, and then probably call this explore done. Hey guys, this looks like one of those things I was talking about that's stored in that shed. So, any idea what this could be? I know it's made of wood, but in the shed it's like it's painted silver. So I assumed it was like metal at first, but it's not. Look in this crate. I'm not going to go any further. These floors are horrible. There's nothing in there. But yeah, these floors are rotten. So yeah, guys, I'm going to probably end this explore. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, like I said, there's really nothing left. So I will catch you in the next video, and thank you for watching. And please consider subscribing for some more content coming soon. I promise not to go away for so long. But I was going through some things, and you know, I'm back. I guess we all go through some things, but I really did miss you, and I'm back. Thank you for watching.